Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this natural beauty filter on TikTok. Okay, so this is the effect. Okay, give you a little fairness. Okay, to get this effect on TikTok, what you can do, just go to the effect gallery. In trending section, remember this image. This is the filter. Suppose you can't see the filter here in trending section, what you can do, turn on the search button and search for natural beauty. Okay, the second one with 18.6 million videos, this is the effect we are going to use. Anyway, lots of effects are there, you can try them. Okay, so this is the effect. Suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the effect gallery or from the search, what you can do, go to your For You page. Okay, and here search for natural beauty filter. Okay, on the top row you'll see the effect icon, just tap there. You will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see use this effect. Just tap there to use the effect. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys, likewise you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys, see you in the next video.